What's up, everybody? It's Coach R. Um, Wanted to do a short little video here. It's November 5th, Tuesday morning. Just recording this for Miss Buck to play to y'all. Gonna try to get it done and get it sent out before second period starts. For second, fourth, sixth, and third during lunch to see. Um, just want to go over what we were doing in class today, what Miss Buck's gonna have y'all do. If y'all have any questions after the video, y'all can ask Miss Belk or y'all can send me a message in her mind as well. Um, Wanted to go over a couple things though, as I was trying to start to put in grades yesterday. Um, if y'all can see the assignment that I'm on, standard deviation, normal distribution, z-scores. This is the last assignment for Unit 1. Quick catch up on that timeline. I gave that assignment to y'all the week before the test. We tested on Monday and Tuesday, September 23rd and 24th. The assignment was originally due, both worksheets were due that Friday, the 27th. Y'all took the test Monday and Tuesday, saw the odd classes Wednesday, and then we were out for the fire Thursday, Friday, or for the hurricane Thursday, Friday, the fire the following Monday, Tuesday. When we came back 3 days after that, I told you I was extending it to the 4th. And I hadn't gotten a chance to go back and see the submissions until now. There were some people that turned it in during those 3 days. I feel like most of the work was turned in before that, though, just looking at the dates, and there was way too much work not turned in. So maybe being too lenient and giving y'all the benefit of the doubt, I'm going to give y'all a chance to go back and turn in these 2 worksheets. So quickly showing them to y'all is the normal distribution with the curves. Again, it has the 68, 95, 99.7, the normal distribution at the top. You also have the more detailed breakdown where the middle split 34, 34, the wings are 13 and a half, 13 and a half, and it keeps going out that are in your notes. If you need to go back and watch the video, it's this first video up here. The Z-scores worksheet, which is just a Word document with word problems on calculating Z-scores. There it is right there. That's due as well. Z-scores video is right there. Some of y'all only turned in 1 paper. It was usually the normal distribution, the curves, and didn't turn in both. So I'm gonna give y'all a chance to go back and do both. I'm not putting a timeline on it right now. I'm trying to figure that out. I want to give y'all some time to go back and do it. I also want to be able to have some time in each class to go back over it real quickly, since it's been a little bit since we did it. But if you didn't turn any of those assignments right now, I'm in second period. 2 I didn't mark off. I don't know whose they were or why off the top of my head I didn't mark them off, but there's still 24, 25 of y'all in second period, so it means 15 of y'all didn't turn in a thing. But I'll give y'all an opportunity to go back and work on those when y'all can for right now. They will still be for full credit and won't be for any points off. Speaking of the test, however, as I move on to the current assignment, some of y'all took the test, never made it up for Unit 1. Not the quiz we took last week. Some of y'all do have to make that up as well. More concerned about the test, though. A few classes I started going back and putting in 40s for people who never took the test or never made it up. I honestly don't. It would have been the odd classes anyway, so I honestly don't know if anybody made it up on Wednesday the 25th, before we were out for the first 4 days that we were out. We came back those 3 days before fall break. A few people made them up. After fall break, the first few days we were back, I was reminding y'all, if you didn't take the test, you need to make it up, but y'all got to come to see me to talk about it and schedule it. And I don't think anybody's made it up since fall break. So if you never took it, if it hasn't gone into the 40 yet, it's going to, but this is kind of the last call, last reminder. I'll give y'all a chance to make it up over the next 3 to 5 days. Again, it might depend on how long I'm out sick with my daughter, but I don't know if I'll be able to during class time. we'll be able to let y'all. So you might have to come during lunch if you can, or try to schedule something after school with me. You know, if you're actively trying to schedule it and it takes us a few days to work something out, that's fine. But you know, again, y'all got to come to me on that. If y'all don't, it's going to be 40. All right. So we're on the assignment real quick. I was trying to make this a little shorter. I've already gone a little longer than I wanted to. The notes video is up here. The assignment is is problems from the textbook, from our old textbook. Y'all can see the given assignments right here. I'm going to pull the PDF up real quick and show it. Y'all have to. I'm gonna pull up for me. Okay, I'm gonna download it so it'll pop up in your browser. Y'all gonna have to do the problems in your book. Okay. If y'all saw the page numbers were actually the page numbers from the textbook, not the page numbers in the PDF document. So the first 3 sets of problems are all on page 314. I found it. All right. I thought I was still a little behind. 314. Okay. If you actually go back through this lesson, I'll kind of go back up a couple pages. Y'all see some of the stuff we did in the notes. Okay. Definition of a logarithm is right there. If you actually look at examples 1 and 2, which I was about to point out anyway, rewriting log equations and rewriting exponential equations. These were again in the notes here and here. I cut and copied them. Okay. Cut and copied them into the notes. So the first set of problems, you got some problems in log form, you turn them into exponential form. Second set, you're going the other way. And again, you kind of see the relationship right here. Y'all wrote it in the notes. I scratched out the if and only if and just made an arrow connecting the two. So problems 5 through 10, log form, you got to turn it into exponential form. Okay. 11 through 16, the other way. You start an exponential form, you got to turn it into a logarithm. Again, b, x, and y, whatever b, x, and y are in the form you're given, they're going to stay that in the other form. Third set is 27, just 27 through 30. You aren't doing 31 and 32. It says the example for y'all can do that. This just ties into the common logarithm and the natural logarithm. So you see logarithm without a base. We assume it's log base 10, which is the common log. And then ln, it's just listed as it is. So these 4 problems, super duper easy. You literally just punch in the calculator what you see and tell me the answer that you get. Again, this really is this kind of serves as a reminder. When y'all are doing this is log base 10. I'll look at 27, for example. So when you're evaluating it and get an answer, it's saying 10 to what power gives me 6. Obviously 6 is smaller than 10, so it's going to be a 10 to the first power would be 10, so it should be a decimal less than 1. But when we talk about the value of a logarithm, that's what it is. Again, if you want to see over here's an example. 3 is the value of this logarithm because 7 to the third power equals 343. So you got 5 through 10, 11 through 16, just 27 through 30. And then we're going to scroll down a ways. I'm in, I think it's 6.5. Yeah, 6.5. It talks about the change of base formula. I wrote it a little more simply in the notes. Then y'all are coming down to page, I think it's 332. Yeah, that's 331. So 332, 33 through 38. Y'all don't have to do 39 and 40, but 33 through 38. You're going to use the change of base formula to change them into a fraction, punch it in the calculator, and get an answer. Okay. Y'all got any more questions besides that? Again, this video did run a little longer than I was trying to, but I wanted to be comprehensive. If y'all got any questions, ask Ms. Belk or send me a message in mine. start on those other assignments that I mentioned. And if y'all got to make up the test, if you want to go ahead and message me in your mind trying to set that up, that's fine. But y'all might need to start going back over all the Unit 1 stuff as well. So, other than that, I will see y'all tomorrow or Thursday whenever I hopefully see you.